Okay, this is a biostats question on your Naplex. So whenever you see a long study, just go straight to the end to try to find what the question's asking you. So it says here from the abstract above, what is the absolute risk reduction of the primary endpoint? So this, right now, you should know that you need to look at results, because absolute risk reduction, also abbreviated ARR, that's defined as the control event rate minus the experimental event rate, right? So these two rates, they should be in the results section only. So that's why you should go straight there to the results and just read, find the primary endpoint. The primary endpoint is usually like the first sentence. It'll be on the beginning rather than the end. So just read it quickly. The study was stopped early on recommendation of the Independent Safety Committee. Mean follow-up time was 1 year. All-cause mortality was lower in the Stronghold group than the placebo group. So right here, all this, starting the sentence, primary endpoint. Because any results after that is usually the secondary endpoint. So you got the Stronghold group and the placebo, so you got two groups. So the placebo group is our control event rate, and the Stronghold group is the experimental event rate. So we have here, the placebo group has 219 patient deaths. So I just calculate this. So control event rate's 219. That's how many people were affected in the placebo group, 219 patient deaths. So we need to find the total number of people in this group. It's not listed here in the results, so you have to go to the methods to find how many people were in this control group. So read it very quickly. So here we go. So of the total number of patients in both groups, so 1990 patients were in the experimental group, the Strongheart, and then there's 2001 patients assigned to placebo. Here we go. This is what number you need to know. So in the placebo group, also known as the control group, there was 2001 patients. So here we have our control event rate. So now I have to find this experimental event rate. So in the results, all-cause mortality in the Stronghold group was 146 patients. And then now I need to find the total number in this experimental group, which is in the methods here. So it says 1990 patients were in the experimental group. So the total number of patients in this group is 1,990. So that's the experimental event rate here. So I just subtract these two from each other, and you should get 0.03607845. And the question says, put your answer in percentage form. So just move this 2 decimal places over. That equals 3.607845%. But then it also says round to the nearest tenth. So just 1 decimal place over. So that's just the same, 3.6%. And then the computer says do not put the percentage sign when you type in the number. So you just type in 3.6 as your final answer. There you have it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments.